will they spend, given a couple of things? One, sort of culturally, I mean, folks over there are very conservative. There's a reason why they keep that much money under the mattress, right? Two, they're still concerned about COVID, right? That's still a problem in China. And three, given what's been happening and what has happened with housing in China, and housing forming such a huge part of wealth for most people in China, are they really going to be spending that much?
Right, I think those are all the key questions determining the consumption outlook. I would say over the Lunar New Year, we did see some encouraging signs, meaning that people want to be spending time with the family, want to go out to eat, and want to go to movie theaters. That's, again, a necessary condition. Now, you're right that in addition to the wanting to spend, you have to have the ability to spend, meaning you need to have your income. We heard some migrant workers this Lunar New Year still a bit reluctant to spend because they didn't have as much income last year. So we really need the economy to move along to have a recovery. But I would say on the property front, we're seeing signs that government is focusing on stabilizing the property sector. The policy tone has been notably different than before. And lastly, the bar is not that high for consumption to show a strong growth rate this year because the base was so low last year. Just think about we had Shanghai lockdown in the key economic center for a couple months last year. If we can just get rid of those lockdowns and a sharp decline in consumption and services, just by that, you could have improvement. So I think that we do expect a pretty strong growth this year, although we're not going to be able to fully recover just within 1 year. But in household consumption, we're expecting 8.5% growth this year.